I am on top of the Southern Blvd overpass, and as you can see, last time I was here, that track wasn't even there. The right-of-way has been completely cleared, and the double track is finally in. This is one beautiful railroad. I couldn't believe what I'm seeing right now. I don't know if the track is tampered. I don't know if it's ready to be ran on yet. But the track is in. Let's get a look on the south side. And on the south side, the view is practically the same. Just beautiful. I like it. As far as the eye can see.